Hi, welcome to Forbest Academy. In today's video I'm going to be showing you about the law of sines, or also called the sine rule. It can be used to find the missing side or missing angle of any triangle as long as we have a matching pair of sides and angles. So on the board I've got a right angle triangle. However, as I've said, this can be used on any triangle. So we have two matching pairs. We have x matched with the angle 30 degrees. And we have the side 10 matched with the right angle, which is of course 90 degrees. So if you look at the formula up here, we have A over sine A. So if you look at the formula here, we have A over sine A. Now A is the side which is opposite the angle sine A. So if the angle sine A is 30, the small letter a would be x. If the right angle was the angle B, the side B would be opposite the one labelled 10. So we don't need all three parts of this formula, we only need a matching pair, so we only use two parts. A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. So let's plug these in with the question we've got here. So let's make A x and sine 30. So x over sine 30. And this will be equal to the other pair, which is 10 over a right angle, so sine 90. Now, as I've used these angles, we won't need a calculator. Sine 30 is equal to a half. And sine 90 is equal to 1. So now all we need to do is to solve this equation. We multiply everything by a half. And we have x is equal to 5. Now on this triangle here, we could have just used trigonometry to find x. And if you do, you'll also get 5, which shows that this method works. But as I said, this method can be used on any triangle, as long as you have two matching pairs of sides and angles. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel.